Think about it. Will there be life on this planet without air and water? Will the flora and fauna flourish without the elixir of life? Will the wheels of modern civilization move without petroleum products? Luckily, we are blessed with bounties of nature, and they travel miles and miles and change many hands before they reach the end user. The key to their judicious distribution lies in their accurate measurement and control. Indeed, the use of these natural resources in the right measure connotes our concern, prudence, and ingenuity. One organization which is in the forefront of flow measurement and control, ensuring immaculate precision and accuracy of flow meters in air, water, and oil media, is Fluid Control Research Institute, Palakkad, Kerala, India. Fluid Control Research Institute, popularly known as FCRI, is today one of the world's foremost organizations in the field. Functioning under the Ministry of Heavy Industries and Public Enterprises, Government of India, FCRI was dedicated to the nation in 1989 by the then President of India, Shri R. Venkataraman. It was set up with assistance and participation from UNDP. It is creditable that the entire facility was created by a dedicated team of FCRI engineers. Valuable suggestions from UNDP experts were modulated to suit Indian conditions. FCRI has full-fledged NABL accredited labs which are also recognized by Bureau of Indian Standards, Department of Legal Metrology, Underwriters Laboratory, Central Pollution Control Board, Chief Controller of Explosives, Institution of Fire Engineers, and Netherlands Measurement Institute. Any measurement made at FCRI is traceable to national, international standards and is known for its reliability, accuracy, and international acceptance, be it a calibration, testing, or research project. All FCRI labs are on par with similar labs elsewhere in the world. International intercomparisons have established the competence and parity of FCRI labs beyond any doubt. A dedicated team of resourceful engineers with versatile and vast experience is the fulcrum of FCRI, and that makes it unique in its field of activities. FCRI is known for its customer friendliness, integrity of results and analysis, transparency, and the least turnaround time for evaluation programs. Time was when Indian manufacturers used to fly their flow products all the way to Europe and USA for certification, but today they can get their products validated at FCRI in India at a fraction of the cost, and that too within the shortest possible time. Isn't that a boon? Seeing is believing, is it? Visit FCRI and you can witness the evaluation program of your products as per international standards, an evaluation which is stringent and foolproof. The Airflow Lab at FCRI offers flow meter, flow product evaluation and consultancy services to customers from industrial sectors like automotive, aerospace, pharmaceutical and healthcare, gas and process industries, flow meter manufacturers, R&D centers, certification bodies and academic institutions. The primary airflow lab is equipped with internationally accepted primary flow standards like bell provers and piston provers of various capacities for precise flow measurement and calibration of flow meters at low pressure with a flow range of 0.05 to 40 cubic meter per hour with uncertainty better than 0.2%. The secondary airflow lab is operating at near atmospheric pressure and has critical flow venturi or sonic nozzles as reference standard. Calibration of flow meters can be done up to a maximum flow range of 10,000 cubic meter per hour with uncertainty better than 0.25%. The adjoining chiller plant controls the air temperature with ±1 degree centigrade during calibration. Besides calibration, testing and model approval of flow meters, the services offered encompass sponsored research projects, development of flow meters, flow measurement in large-size ducts and validation of flow measurement systems. The 20-bar airflow lab needs special mention. The open-loop blow-down air test facility is used for testing of different types of small-size flow meters, filters, regulators, safety valves, air relief valves, breather valves and venting devices. The facility is also used for aerodynamic noise studies for valve trims and silencers. The closed-loop air test facility has an encapsulated blower, chilled water temperature control system, filters and metering lines. A group of 2-inch and 3-inch turbine meters calibrated with primary transfer standards serve as reference traceable to national standards. Highly accurate calibration of different types of flow meters and testing of control devices up to 150 mmNb are conducted here. Measurement uncertainties better than 0.3% are achievable. The primary standard gravimetric system, one among the very few in the world, enables calibration of air and gas flow meters up to 50 mmNb for a maximum actual volumetric flow rate of 50 cubic meter per hour. The operating pressure ranges from 1.3 to 20 bar. Measurement uncertainties better than 0.1% are achievable, which is among the best in the world. Closed loop air test facility and primary standard gravimetric system are certified by NMI.
I'm a customer here at the moment. It's a very capable facility. It can be used for different things. One of the primary reasons that it's here is to calibrate gas meters or natural gas meters, and that guarantees the uncertainty or the quality of the measurement in the local industry, both for custody transfer meters and fiscal, in other words, taxable flow meters. There's more than one reason for using such a facility or for having such a facility, and that is it can also test new technology. It can prove new technology with its ability to have a reference flow which is trusted versus a new technology, which means it aids in the development of the industry's instrumentation and the quality of the products. So for various reasons it's an important facility to have, and it's very capable.
The wind tunnels 1 and 2 help in calibration of different types of anemometers, pitot tubes, velocity probes, aerofoil, etc. This facility is vitally utilized by user industry. FCRI can calibrate and also test items at air speeds up to 80 meters per second. In addition, the lab undertakes measurement of air or gas in large ducts at site for power, petrochemical and process industries using traversing method. The Water Flow Lab is India's leading facility for evaluation of flow products with highest accuracy class. It can handle flow range from 5 liters per hour to 4,500 cubic meters per hour with uncertainty better than 0.03% for mass flow and 0.05% in volume flow. All types of flow meters, including differential pressure, electromagnetic, ultrasonic and Coriolis mass flow meters, are evaluated here with highest accuracy level. Flow products of up to 900 mm diameter can be evaluated in this facility. Testing of control valves is one of the major activities of the laboratory. The facility is utilized by all cross sections of the Indian industry, including nuclear, power, oil and gas, process, and you name it.
We do calibration at FCRI on regular basis. So we like that state-of-art facility at FCRI and their expertise in calibration services. And the services offered by FCRI, we are very happy about them, and the people are very friendly and cooperative.
The unique large water flow lab at FCRI is one of the largest flow measurement facilities in the world. It was set up in 2012 for meeting the demand of manufacturers and end users for testing large size flow meters and control valves with high accuracy. The facility, with a flow range of up to 15,000 cubic meter per hour with uncertainty better than 0.5% in flow rate, can accommodate pipe sizes up to 2,700 mm diameter. Besides calibration of large diameter flow meters, the facility also tests valves and pumps. The Center for Water Management is involved in research and consultancy services, simulation and design of water distribution systems and firefighting systems, in-situ flow measurement and calibration of large-size flow meters, field efficiency testing of hydroelectric turbines, and development of Indian and international standards. It is also acting as a watchdog in water metering through testing of water meters during bulk procurement of water meters by various water boards and assisting them in setting up water meter test facility, a state-of-the-art test lab for testing domestic and bulk water meters. It offers accurate measurement of flow in terms of volume, which is determined by the gravimetric system in addition to endurance testing. Thousands of water meters of various sizes are tested here every year. FCRI has played a very vital role in improving the water meter quality in India through its various activities. The center does site measurements using different non-conventional techniques like non-radioactive tracer dilution technique with Rodaman dye, insertion type turbine flow meters and ultrasonic flow meters where conventional techniques cannot be adopted, especially for very large pipe sizes. The Oil Flow Lab at FCRI is a world-class facility designed for evaluation of flow products in oil media. The facility has a flow range up to 650 cubic meter per hour with uncertainty better than 0.04% in volume. The lab has capability to calibrate flow meters used for the bulk flow measurement like positive displacement flow meters, turbine flow meters, mass flow meters, etc. It can accommodate flow products of sizes up to 250 mm diameter. The lab also conducts third-party witness testing and auditing of metering stations at site as per API standards. The laboratory has a multi-viscous oil flow facility which can calibrate flow meters in different viscosities ranging from 2 centistrokes to 400 centistrokes. multi-phase flow measurements in hydrocarbon and thermal and nuclear power sector pose immense challenge when measurement uncertainties of acceptable orders comparable to conventional single-phase flow metering are required. The multi-phase flow facility at FCRI currently operates with two-phase gas-liquid mixtures. It has been catering to research and performance assessment requirements of flow product manufacturers and end users. The compressed natural gas facilities are the latest addition to the comprehensive facilities at FCRI. Natural gas at 250 or 200 bar is the medium. The services offered include calibration of mass flow meters, model approval of CNG dispensers as per international standards, services to automotive industries and on-site calibration of CNG dispensers. The lab has done on-site calibration and verification of CNG dispensers for Indraprastha gas, Gale gas, Mahanagar gas and many more. FCRI has done a number of site audits for natural gas metering stations of Gale, ONGC, Reliance and many others. FCRI also undertakes study of loss of unaccounted gas (LUAG) in gas networks. The upcoming 50 bar natural gas calibration and test facility is expected to cater to calibration requirements of custody transfer flow meters of sizes up to 300 mm and pressure up to 50 bar with flow rates up to 5000 cubic meter per hour. FCRI also undertakes special assignments and projects. Apart from its regular activities, it does a number of sponsored research projects to find solutions for complex flow measurement and control problems for customers at home and abroad. FCRI undertakes custom designed tests on valves, pumps, heat exchangers and so on. The services offered under this division include tests on valves and flow elements used in severe service operating conditions such as high pressure, high temperature, fugitive emission testing, fire testing, cryogenic testing on valves, LOCA, MSLB, DBA testing for nuclear components, proof of design tests, life cycle testing of critical components, flow visualization and cavitation studies. The division also undertakes custom design tests to study and assess flow-related problems at high pressure 250 bar, high temperature 350 degree centigrade applications. The simulation of high temperature, high pressure testing on certain critical components in nuclear industry is a boon to the safety of the nation. FCRI designs and implements tailor-made facilities for evaluation of the products at site. FCRI has completed more than 160 such industrial projects for its national and international clients. This has helped the industry to sort out intricate problems which are many a time not related to flow. The beneficiaries include Indira Gandhi Center for Atomic Research, Baba Atomic Research Center, ONGC, Nuclear Power Corporation, Hindustan Petroleum Corporation, Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai, Regional Reference Standards Laboratories, Festo Controls, Control Components Incorporated, and GE Transportation, just to mention a few. It also acts as a consultant for flow-related problems, including the design and validation of measurement systems. The Environmental Qualification Lab specializes in noise, vibration, and environmental testing. It conducts vibration tests, seismic qualification tests, shock tests, vibration measurement of onboard ships, power plants and process plant equipment, fatigue test, resonance search test, static or dynamic strain measurement and testing DG sets to conform to CPCB guidelines. The lab has sophisticated equipment for in-plant site studies. The acoustic test facility comprises sound level analyzers, hemi-anechoic chambers, sound source and free field test areas. The facility is used by manufacturers of flow and engineering products as well as medical equipment for noise evaluation. Secondary calibration system for measuring microphones, sound level meters and acoustical calibrators also exists at FCRI. This is a unique system commercially available in India to carry out free field calibration of noise measuring instruments. The facility is accredited for calibration of acoustic, vibration and speed parameters. It does environmental qualification tests for IP test facility such as dust, water jet nozzle, water spray, chamber test, climatic test chamber, etc. The Physical Standards Lab is the backbone of FCRI, providing traceability to all physical parameters measured. PSL provides calibration services to industries and laboratories in dimensional metrology, pressure, mass, torque, force, volume, density, and viscosity. The lab is equipped with most reliable reference instruments operated under controlled environmental conditions. Calibration facilities include cross-float calibration for dead weight pressure balances, both oil and air, vacuum calibration and weigh balance calibration up to 30 tons. It also undertakes calibration of microbalances and micropipettes with NABL accreditations. This lab is known for maintaining the highest accuracy level in this part of the country. No wonder many outside laboratories are coming and using FCRI facilities for their traceability. The Electrotechnical and Thermal Calibration Lab caters to the calibration of parameters like voltage, current, frequency, time, power, resistance, temperature, etc. The lab has sophisticated instruments which maintain a high degree of accuracy. Facilities also exist for humidity, high and low temperature and multimeter calibration. Thermal calibration facility employs state-of-the-art fixed point cells as the reference standards. The ITS fixed point calibration is done in the range of -38 to 960 degrees centigrade, while comparison calibration is done at -70 to 1200 degrees centigrade and at boiling point of liquid nitrogen. Humidity calibration facility provides very accurate calibration of humidity meters. The lab also undertakes on-site calibration. The Data Acquisition Systems Group at FCRI has gained tremendous experience and expertise in providing solutions through electronics and instrumentation services to flow labs. It also conducts sponsored tests, experiments and provides custom developed solutions and consultancy to external clients. The laboratory has implemented solutions such as data acquisition and computational software for IEC 60041 based gypsum pressure time technique for hydroturbine field efficiency testing, fast response air mass flow meter for automotive engine test beds, compact VOC gas sensors with sub-ppm detection limits, customized data acquisition solutions for laboratory automation for RRSL, LPSC, ISRO, mascot valves and Indian Airlines. Fluid flow plays a key role in the working process of engineering devices. Using computational fluid dynamics analysis, lead time in design and development can be significantly reduced. FCRI has expertise to undertake sponsored CFD projects in the area of design optimization, modeling, simulation, and design validation for industries and scientific and technical organizations. The general workshop at FCRI, manned by a pool of mechanical and maintenance personnel, renders support services to various labs. It is equipped with an array of machines to fix any problem related to quality, fitment, and finish of flow products.
I am proud to say that all these facilities are designed, erected, and commissioned and now operated by FCRI engineers. We welcome our customers to witness our testing and calibration. For all practical purposes, FCRI is acting as a national standard for fluid flow. We would like to give a comprehensive solution to our customers for their fluid flow problems. They can refer their problems to us. If some facility is lacking, we are ready to build it up here. They need not take the equipment to facilities abroad. At present, we are thinking of extending our service to foreign countries like Middle East and Europe.
This is not all. FCRI also provides infrastructural facilities for applied research projects in the area of fluid flow. It has a brigade of committed and dedicated engineers with vast experience and domain knowledge. Trained at some of the most prestigious labs and institutions abroad, the expertise of these engineers is instrumental in design, fabrication, and simulation of some complicated operational problems of the industry and figuring out possible solutions through testing, research, and field assignments for a plethora of industries and establishments across the globe. It also acts as a national certifying authority with international acceptance for evaluating all types of flow products and related measuring instruments. Through in-house R&D efforts, FCRI has successfully developed and transferred technical know-how for a variety of products. Skill development is a national agenda today, but FCRI presaged this long ago. The Institute has conducted over 160 national training programs and innumerable tailor-made courses for managers, field engineers, executives, technicians, and engineering graduates for developing and honing skills in flow technology in the country.
I am grateful for the opportunity from the Fluid Control Research Institute, who accommodated not only me but other developing countries. It's our home away from home.
FCRI is acknowledged as the seat of knowledge in the domain of flow technology. It conducts both national and international training programs. Its contribution towards imparting knowledge is immeasurable. Till date, over 900 international participants from 90 countries have undergone training at FCRI. FCRI has ample hostel facilities in the campus to accommodate training from far and near. FCRI also conducts international conferences on flow technology once in 3 years. These are popularly known as FlowTech G. Till now, it has held 4 conferences. Around 600 engineers from across the globe attend these conferences held in the sprawling and salubrious institute premises. Customer care at FCRI is the single point contact for its customers. More than 2,500 organizations across India and abroad have benefited from FCRI's facilities and consultancy services so far. Its ever-growing clientele include to list just a few. The lead time for evaluation of products at FCRI is minimum compared to any facilities in spite of a very tight schedule. FCRI has won many awards and accolades for its customer-centered and professional services. The services include design evaluation, quality improvement, quality evaluation, establishment of appropriate flow measurement and control technology, and so on. All this goes to underline FCRI's pivotal role as a resource to industry. FCRI is looked upon as a one-stop shop for solutions to flow measurement problems. The credibility of FCRI in its area of specialization has been fortified over the past 3 decades of its existence. This has stemmed from its proven and unparalleled reliability, integrity, and domain knowledge. FCRI is indeed in the vanguard of research and development in flow technology. The technological excellence in flow measurement and control in the industrial world owes quite a lot to FCRI for its cognitive contribution towards quality enhancement, accuracy, and reliability in flow metering, thus upscaling control and precision in harnessing scarce resource for a sustainable tomorrow. So what are the attributes you look for in a flow lab before you decide to send your products for evaluation? World-class facilities, sophisticated systems with national traceability, committed and qualified team of engineers with domain knowledge and vast experience, accreditations and approvals, references and testimonials, speed and cost competitiveness, standing and reputation. Whatever be your yardstick, the qualifying lab is only one in this hemisphere. FCRI Palakkad, Asia's largest flow lab and one of the world's best.